It's on the ground. Panic selling is the sound. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. My friends, do not panic sell. This is Russia being Russia. It's midday. We're going to reverse next week. Everything's going to be all right. The sun's going to come up, guys. This is yeah, Russia really did some things here, and we'll talk about this here in a second. I'm going to give you some official Mickey D, official scoop levels here for some of these stocks. We'll take a look at a couple. I want to give you a couple silver stocks too, from straight out the book, guys. Junior silver mining stocks ready to explode. Straight out of the book. Junior silver mining stocks ready to explode. I'm going to give you a couple that are on the verge right now, getting ready to explode. Also, you know, we're following one of our lithium junior baby knockouts. Invest in lithium baby knockouts now. That we're following that. So we'll take a look at that. But do not fear this uranium thing here. The scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. My friends, I'm an author, researcher. I put it in black and white, so you'll have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. My friends, as you know, the Russians recklessly assaulted the biggest nuclear plant in Europe, and that was not nice. They hit part of it, the training building or what have you. War is war. Our prayers for those that are involved with this war right now. It's not good. War is not nice. A lot of people, over 1 million people being displaced. It's not good. It's not good. But war is war. I don't blame you new green behind the ear investors, uranium investors, for running for the hills. I don't blame you at all. Little panic selling, a lot of panic selling today. The open here, you're going to still have 2 or 3 hours, about 3 hours or so to trade right now after you hear this. So I'm going to make this short. And I'm going to get to some of the charts, guys. I'm going to let you guys see what these levels are and where we are in relation to our 200-day moving average, as we've been harping on here over the last few months. And I've been showing you these charts when they are strong and when they are weak. This is a typical panic sell, buy the dip situation with uranium stocks. Make no mistake about it. Make no mistake about it. You can see it in the charts and stuff. We're going to bounce off those 200-day moving averages. Let's just take a look. If it's your first time you're getting a little bit of the scoop, my friends, hit that button there, and we will definitely hit the bell, and you'll be able to get all the different shows. And so a lot of the uranium we cover, gold, silver we cover. Like, I'm going to give you a couple baby knockouts here in silver, and let's make this quick and sweet here. Check your newsletter, my private scoop team members. Check your newsletter. Make sure you're up to date and everything. We got a lot of good stuff for you here. Hang tight. We're going to take a look at these charts in 1 minute. We're going to make this sweet so you can get back to trading. Have no fear. Mickey D is here. Oh, maybe that's the fear. But let's take a look at Cameco, guys. We're going to take a look at the stocks here real quick. Cameco, 200-day moving average. Look at that. Crashing down today. This morning, as you know, we make this about midday. Like I said, you have about 2 or 3 hours to trade after you watch this video. But we got a little way to go. 21.39, guys. It was our 200-day moving average. We crashed below that, then we may be going a little lower. That's 21.39 or so. Let's look at UU. I'm gonna look through these real quick. That way, you guys. $7 is the 200-day moving average. We're well above it right now, about $1, almost $1 or so, 96 cents or so. We're it's coming down, but guys, I see classic dip buying here, either early next week or later, even today. Same thing with next gen. Next gen, up, same thing. Look, no, over its 200-day moving average, strong over its 200-day moving average. We're coming back down. 200-day moving average is going to act as resistance for a lot of these stocks, my friends. They're going to bounce off this 200-day moving average, in my opinion. It doesn't always happen that way, but that's what happens a lot of times. Look at Denison real quick. Here, Denison Mines, up right there on his 200-day moving average. Denison is almost in his buy zone. Just say the buy zone is 138 or so, and it's 142 right now, down 6.5%. That's a good time if you're not in Denison, because we are going to reverse, in my humble opinion, my friends. Let's go over to Africa. Let's take a look at Global Atomic. Global Atomic's the same way. It's straight up strong. Remember I told you about 5 strong straight days? It's time for a little pullback. It didn't take a Russian reckless act to get us there, but we're there now as we reverse. Let's take a look at Paladin. The same thing, guys. Charts are looking the same. We're up above 200-day moving average, strong, 5 days strong, and then we're coming back down. 52 cents, 200-day moving average, 56 cents for the price right now as it's coming down. Did I tell you the price of Global Atomic? 276 is its 200-day moving average right now. It's up in the 330s, guys. So it's up there right now. Let's take a look at our lithium, one of our favorite lithium plays here in Canadian dollars. 80 cents. It is up today. About 1% or so, but it's way up above its 200-day moving average, which is 42 cents, and it's up 80 cents. So we expect a little push back here, depending on the way things go. Lithium, the price of is showing no light up. There's nothing happening. Take a look at a couple of silver baby knockouts here, straight out of the book, guys. All these are straight out of the book. This is Dolly Varden, Silver Corporation. Is keeping with our thing, 85 cents in Canadian. As you can see, it's been backing and filling. 200-day moving average is way down here, 62 cents, 85 cents, guys. Silver, depending on gold and silver's way. After our baby knockouts that are in the book, junior silver mining stocks ready to explode, possible 1,000% gains. We were anticipating a 2,000 plus gold price and a silver price like up over 30 or so, 28, 29, 30. And these things are going to start moving. Dolly Varden is one of those that is in the book, and it is going to get its run on. Let's look at one more. What about, in fact, Dolly Varden, the market cap was $27 million when we start taking a look at that. $184 million now. So it's grown considerably. Shall I say that was a good pick there, the scoop, Mickey D and the scoop. We picked a good one there. Southern Silver Exploration. Let's take a look at that one. 35 cents. It's approaching back and filling, back and filling. We like to see charts like that. It's approaching, it'll probably have one more little set, and it's going to blast through its 200-day moving average right now. It's just a penny below its 200-day moving average, which is 36 cents or so. It's going to blow through as long as these prices are going up with gold and silver. So that's what you're looking at, my friends. It's going to be a great weekend for you and your family. Before we look at, let's take a look at SPUT real quick. Give you it's out of the Bollinger Bands here, and it was coming down. It's going to reverse up also. SPUT is. And so is the global, the North Shore Global. It's below its 200-day moving average right now, and they don't really give a fair representation of a move like this because they everything goes down with them. But some of the stocks, those strong stocks, are the ones that we like. You guys have a wonderful weekend. I'll put some links in there for you. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Be safe and sound. Pray for those people over in the Ukraine. Excuse me. If you don't have a copy of Junior Silver Mining Stocks Ready to Explode, possible 1,000% gains, you can go to Amazon.com. You get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook. I'll leave a link for you. Also, guys, invest in lithium baby knockouts or how to invest in uranium now. We've done a lot of research, and this is our time. We times like this when our commodities are going up right now, our uranium is going to reverse. It's going to go up. Oh, it's good times, guys. We got good times ahead. Don't even worry. The commodities are taking center stage right now. Commodities will be the trade, my friends. Not only this year, but for the next probably 4, 5, 6, maybe even 10, maybe even next 20 years. Commodities will be the trade. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.